Squirt. This is called caravan living. Caravan living. Caveman style. From googlemo.com. And here we have Sly. Hey Sly. Sly's a pig dog. Sly can find them and heal them and turn them. Can't you, Sly? Hey, little Sly. Hey, little Sly. And Squirt, she barks like a dog can, like 3 times her size. You'd think she was 3 times her size, the noise that comes out of that little dog's mouth. But predominantly they just find and bail, and they're good at it. So here we are in Ohakune. It's overcast. It's Saturday. And this is the Cooney Cossie Club. $10 a night. And you're welcome to stay here. This is an old girl. Oh wait. So this morning there was 2, 3, 4, 5 vans here, and they've moved on. And you can't see the mountain today. No show. But this is a good place to stay, people. If you come and stay here, you can empty your wastewater. And we can only just see the snow line. Of Ruapehu, Mount Ruapehu. Trial. He got him out here to breed from. He had a lot of bitches to him. Anyway, he sent me what's her name, and had this bitch Judy. She had just pupped, and she'd been second in the international trial. Well, he had one little bitch pup left, so he sent her down to me on the train actually. Picked her up, she had a little fluffy bloody thing, and what a fucking bitch she turned out. She headed a mob 7 miles. How? It's from here to Rati. Bloody hell. Yeah. Yeah, g'day. Never after that she used to steer the mobs in. Yeah. That's when I was working on Wairu. Yeah. See, Harding had 85,000 acre army lease then. Okay. And 5,000 acres of freehold, and I did 14 years up there. Yeah, just seasonal work. And the stock do all right up there in the high country? Oh shit, yeah. Well, he run weathers for a start.
Yeah.
He used to winter about 7,000 to 9,000 weathers on the army country.
Yeah.
And they'd come in and we'd muster July for crutchy. That's where you send the weathers off. Yeah.
So how old are you, George?
Hey?
How old are you?
90 is she?
90. Hell, yeah. So I met you in the year 98 or 97.
Oh, yeah.
Up at the pub up on the corner there. Roger from Carrior, who was working for Peter Mack. Zach, whatever his name is.
Ken Wallander.
Yeah. Who else was there? Al, who helped build the powder keg.
Wayne Gunnell.
Or was it Wayne, is it?
Wayne.
Okay, yeah.
Wayne Gunnell. He's still up Dreadnought Road. He's got a bit of a complex there.
And they tell me that the population here then was around 11 or 1200. And it's only 9 now.
That's permanent.
Yeah, permanent residents, yeah, so it's reduced in numbers.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, the railways, you see, the railways had a hell of a bloody population.
Yeah.
In those days.
The railways are, it's a sad note. It's a sad note for New Zealand not having a good railway system.
Oh.
You know.
You avoid all these bloody trucks on the road.
Absolutely, yeah. Yeah.
No, it is sad.
They're thinking about moving the Auckland port, you know, the commercial side of it, to Whangarei. I think that would be a good thing because 75% of what hits that port is for elsewhere, and they could put it on rail. It'd rejuvenate the economy in Northland for a start, and they'd be just railing it everywhere. I mean, it gets railed from Auckland anyway. Yeah. That was Key and Helen Clark. They came up with that idea just after we came out of lockdown 4, or maybe during lockdown 4, alert level 4. They probably they were holding hands virtually.
What's the name? He's been all for it. Winston Peters, isn't he?
Is he?
The rail up there. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah. So old Winston, you know, for all his warts, he's still on the job, eh?
Oh yes, yeah.
Yeah, and he means well. You know, he's our most experienced bench politician at the moment, active.
He's a pretty sound bloody man. Actually, he wanted to curb bloody immigration. Should have done, because we haven't got the what's the name for him? See, there's a describing word I can't remember. We haven't got room for him. That's what I mean. You know. And,
but once you've had a couple of beers, you come right.
Yeah.
I mean, you've only just arrived, and you're a daily visitor at 90 to the Cossie Club here in Ohakune. Eh?
Yeah.
You know, it's cool. I was working for Chris Amon, and what did he say to me? We soldier on, no matter what. We soldier on. I think he was robbed of a bit of glory.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Chris Amon.
Yeah. Scott's Ferry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. What would he have?